Hi, so there's nothing mathematically incorrect in what you've done. I just think you've overcomplicated it slightly. I think what you want to look to do is whenever you see something that says a single power of 3 like that, you want to think about writing the question out as powers of 3 initially. Okay, so when you've got 3 cubed, that's fine. That is a power of 3. Okay, 3 to the power of 3, you know, that isn't a power of 3. But this root 3 is not yet as a power of 3. So what we're looking to do there is just be reminded that the square root is the same as the power of a half. So I can write that as 3 to the power of a half there. Okay? So when I've got a question that says a single power of 3, I'm looking to change both numbers into 3 to the power of something. Now at this stage, this is just indice laws, so if I've got these base numbers the same and if I want to divide, that means I subtract the powers. So if you subtract the powers, 3 take away a half is going to give you 2.5. We could write it like that. It looks a bit messy there with the kind of 3 to the power, and then you've got a kind of fraction there as well. So we tend to use improper fractions. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus the 1, so you're looking at 3 to the 5 over 2. And then that's your answer. Okay? So I wouldn't necessarily go down the route of the surds and then try to rationalise it. You can, and when you got to here, that is mathematically correct, but it's not as a single power of 3. So I personally would go down this route instead in future. All right, thanks.